The parallax effect is a visual phenomenon that occurs when objects at different distances appear to move at different rates when observed from a fixed point. This effect is commonly used in various fields, including photography, filmmaking, web design, and video games, to create a sense of depth and immersion. Select the surface in the front part. I forgot, but you can use the Select and Mask option for more precise selection. Right-click Layer via Copy, now make a new layer. But you click on the main layer, now make a new layer. But you click on the main layer, and on the other layer, go to the tools and use the Remove tool, the new tool from Photoshop 2024. We delete the parts that we previously selected. After you delete the parts, export the background in JPG format. You will export them separately, one layer and then another. It's simple. You will click the eye in front of the layer and export it, and the character exported in PNG format. In CapCut, put the pictures one after the other as shown. Make the background zoom out using keyframes. A little boring part, but in the end you will get an interesting animation like you've seen in movies or YouTube channels dealing with history. Make the bear zoom in using the keyframes. After that, you can add some effect. I added snow. Open the window for the keyframes, and here you can adjust the movement manually and more clearly. I also added a piano melody from audiolibrary.com.co. This is how you can add a fade in and fade out effect to the sound. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.